Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, your activity is finished on your watch, but it's just stuck there. So, here's how to force that specific run, ride, or even swim into the app. Let's get started fast and easy as usual. Well, we have a small difference between syncing your watch, since basically the watch will sync everything, and synchronizing an activity is totally different, since this is when a single workout is stuck or you record it on a device without the constant connectivity. So on the watch, after saving an activity, most Garmin show a save then sync prompt. You should always hit the synchronization button immediately. So let's say you open your basically app, you are fully connected to the internet, you are logged into your account, but you still missed it. You should go again and open the activity list on your watch. Select the unsynced activity, then scroll down, then select sync or share. This pushes only that file. So on our phone, all we're gonna do is open connect, pull to refresh, just like this, like we are refreshing a message, email, or whatsoever. If the activity appears with a cloud icon or processing, wait 30 seconds. Garmin servers sometimes take a moment. So activity sync in order, starting from the oldest first. If you have, for example, 50 unsynced activities from a championship, for example, your new run waits in line. Patience is key. Or you should connect to Wi-Fi for a faster upload. And that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.